hello. So I thought I would start a weekly vlog, what I'm doing while in self-isolation or whatever we want to do it while I'm at home with my family, which is actually not a whole lot, but I feel like that's okay too, literally. Hello, it's currently 6:30, 7, I don't know, but I have been put in charge of the dreaded supermarket haul during these times. My first time coming to the supermarket since all of this, and I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. Everybody is abiding by the 2-meter rule. Thank you. And I have a shopping bag, so everybody is abiding by the 2-meter rule, and I really like it. Look, there's things on the ground. I love that. I'm so proud of everyone for queuing in these 2 meters. I don't know what it's going to be like inside. I'm like expecting it to be like empty, but look. As soon as I get into a supermarket, the first stop for me is always the chocolate, because if I'm going to stockpile anything during this, it's gonna be chocolate, not toilet roll, because when everything goes wrong, I want chocolate. I don't care about anything else, we just want chocolate. Baskets are all affected, and it's so quiet in here. Look. And it's all stocked up. Everything here. No shortages, guys. Everything is here because this is how it's done when it's orderly and there's no panicking. It's all okay. First on my list is hummus and pizza bread. So actually no, first on my list was chocolate. Okay, so my 3 favourite chocolate bars are Kit Kat Chunkies, Snickers and M&M's. Comment down below what yours are. This hummus looks good. This is how the trolley looks. We've got fries, chocolate, hummus and veg. I want some broccoli though. Let's get some broccoli. So quiet. The bread out because it's my favourite aisle. We love bread. We still stop. Loads of bread. Loads of bread. How you do it when it's all orderly, nothing runs out. So love that for the British population now. We now have lots of bread, and I want some banana sorry loaf. Also got this because it's my fave. Trolley is really full now. I just got some peanut butter and jam because that is my fave thing, and I'm gonna have peanut butter and jam for lunch because I love it. This is the best milk. These are so good, by the way. These are literally my favourite crisps in the whole entire world. I don't know why. I just love them. Any ready salted crisps are my fave. Yeah, there's my childhood peanut butter and jelly sandwich and crisps. Literally today all I've done is eat breakfast, eat some more, do my emails. That's it. And it's now 12:30, so we love that. But basically that's what I'm doing all the time. But it's very sunny. It's very sunny out there, which you can't see because it's too sunny. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but this is kickstarting the vlog. My feet Louisiana, whatever tracksuit in my lookbook, you know. Yeah, I might just go downstairs. I'm gonna go outside actually, see what my dad is doing, make the most of the sunshine. I'm actually drinking hot Ribena. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm at home. Did any of you guys used to drink hot Ribena when you were a kid? I think because I've come home now, I'm like resorting to like everything I used to do as a kid. So when I was sick, I'd always have hot Ribena, but I love it. So yeah, let's go outside and enjoy the sunshine. Should I do a house tour for you? This is not my bedroom, but this is the bedroom I am currently sleeping in because I'm having to stay away a little bit from my family because I've just come home from London. So I self-isolated for 7 days, but they recommend another 7 from like using the same like bathroom and being in too close contact. So I'm sleeping in a different room. But if you want a house tour, I'll do a house tour. But I'm gonna go outside and see what my dad is doing. Hey Pops. Don't hide. He's shy. I say we. You are getting a table ready for Amelia.
It's been in the shed for a long time.
Been in the shed. It's so lovely. It's sunny.
Dusty and horrible and lanky. So.
Little bit of sun, little bit of spring. This is the life. I see you looking. Hello, I see a nose. Yeah, out you come. Hello, hello. Sit. Hello. This looks like a star. This. Look very majestic up there, Pa. Molly, Moles. Psst. You're just not interested in sticks, are you? Molly, I'm going to chuck a stick for you. Why are you not interested in sticks? You're just not a normal dog. Molly, I'm going to chuck a stick for you. So basically this is our old shed, but this is the chair that I want to knit for my new house. This, like, you probably can't see it, but this white one with my dad painted little flowers on. I think it's so cute.
Well, I painted it when we first had a house many moons ago.
I have permission to steal it for my new house. It's gonna travel with me all the way to London. How old is it?
I painted it a long time ago. A little forget-me-not.
I have another chair now. Now I have 2. Courtesy of Papa. This is my kitchen chair. I feel like this could go in the bathroom with some towels folded on it or something. I don't know, I just like it.
Sit on it and see what it's like.
Test it out. Perfect. Shall I try this one?
You can do.
Equally perfect. 2 chairs and no money spent. That's how I have to do up my flat. Currently making creamy mascarpone and fake chicken. Mascarpone, pasta, fake chicken, mushroom, pasta resistance, la Olivia. Such a gourmet chef, but
like to grab your hand, I think.
Time for a bath with an diary. So I'm going to read my favourite bath.